Shut up and sit down.
Hey, I'm Simon.
I'm Ellie.
And if you like our videos, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell thing. That would be very kind of you indeed. And as usual tonight, we are being surprised by you, our viewers, who are recommending we check out trailers and surprising ourselves with the reactions to those trailers.
So what do we have coming up next?
Well, this is a big one. This is a Hindi language movie that comes out at the end of April worldwide. And this movie is the fourth installment in Rohit Shetty's Cop universe and stars a huge star of an actor, Akshay Kumar, who we most recently saw on our channel in the movie Kesari. So in this movie, Akshay Kumar stars as an anti-terrorism squad chief, and he and Katrina Kaif's character have to collaborate to solve a terrorism plot. So probably not that many jokes in this one. So this movie, like so many other things, was delayed due to COVID-19. However, it's finally seeing the light of day, releasing on April 30th, 2021 worldwide. So with all of that said, I'm excited to see it. Let's check out the trailer and we will be back afterwards to let you know what we think about it.
Let's go.
Let's go! Whoa!
मुंबई, हिंदुस्तान का दिल, और हिंदुस्तान के इस दिल ने आज तक कई बार सहे। इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी 1993 सीरियल बम ब्लास्ट से, फिर 2002 बस ब्लास्ट, 2006 ट्रेन ब्लास्ट और 2008 ताज 26/11। मगर मुंबई पर उनका सबसे बड़ा वार अब भी होना बाकी था, और इस वार को रोकने की जिम्मेदारी थी मुंबई एंटी टेररिज्म स्क्वाड के एक योद्धा की।
Nice.
मुंबई पुलिस पासपोर्ट पे रिलीजन देखकर गोली नहीं चलाती, क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड देखकर ठोकती है।
Wow.
I have been shot. हमारी इंटेलिजेंस के हिसाब से तुम्हारी तरह 40 लोग और हैं जो लश्कर के स्लीपर सेल बनकर हिंदुस्तान में सालों से रह रहे हैं।
अभी उनका वक्त आया नहीं। जब वक्त आएगा तुम्हें उन्हें ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
तुझे ढूंढ लिया, तेरे बाकी साथियों को भी ढूंढ लेंगे।
Wow.
93 में 1 टन RDX आया था, जिसमें से सिर्फ 400 किलो इस्तेमाल हुआ और पूरा मुंबई हिल गया। 600 किलो आज भी कहीं दफन है।
Whoa. Oh my God.
हिंदुस्तान ने मेरी किस्मत बदली। अब मैं हिंदुस्तान की किस्मत पलट दूंगा।
Whoa, clear bad guy.
मेरे बच्चे, बीवी, अब्बू को जिंदा चला दिया उन लोगों ने।
हाँ, मानता हूँ कि तुम्हारे साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ वो गलत था, लेकिन तुमने भी तो सैकड़ों मासूमों की जानें ले ली। उसका क्या? रुक जा!
Oh my God.
पुलिस ऑफिसर्स अपना काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई भी ड्यूटी के लिए अपने बच्चे की जान खतरे में नहीं डालता।
इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो की थियरी शायद सही है। लश्कर का अगला टारगेट मुंबई होगा।
सूर्य वो लोग कब आएंगे ये मैं नहीं जानता, पर वो आएंगे जरूर।
इस बार आएंगे ना तो देख लेंगे सालों को।
Oh my God.
क्या करे सर, शिवगढ़ चले?
ये काम एक ही कमीना कर सकता है।
इधर अलग लेवल का धांधली चल रहा है सर।
That didn't look safe.
Oh.
ये लोग 7 गाड़ी में बॉम्ब फिट किए हैं।
Whoa. Jeez.
जिस गोली से तू मरेगा उसके ऊपर ऐसा बड़े में लिखा होगा, मेड इन इंडिया।
अक्का पब्लिक को मालूम है कौन आने वाला है, तेरे को नहीं मालूम?
गाड़ी ऐसा हमेशा घुमा के क्यों आता है?
और तू हर बार हेलीकॉप्टर पे क्यों लटकता है?
हाँ, किसका ज्यादा बड़ा है, एंट्री कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है चलो अभी
Oh my god.
आप जानते हैं कौन है? नईम खान। 30 साल ईमानदारी से पुलिस की ड्यूटी की है इन्होंने, और अब इनका बेटा अब्बास हमारे एंटी टेररिज्म स्क्वाड का एक होनहार ऑफिसर है। ये है हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमान।
Oh my goodness! So we just checked out this was a full trailer for Suryavanshi that just came out a year ago. There was a shorter one that I think we're going to have to check out soon that just came out a week ago. However, oh my goodness, my mind is blown. What did you think of Suryavanshi?
I think that might have been the entire movie. That was so much. There was so much going on. And I liked, my favourite bit was when it got funny at the end, though.
Yeah, like
It wasn't too serious.
Exactly, yeah. So I made the comment up front that this is an anti-terrorism movie, probably not that many jokes. I was also going to joke not that much dancing, I would assume. However...
Jokes and dancing.
Yeah. I mean, clearly it's not a comedy, but they managed to keep this kind of... I guess, you know, it doesn't necessarily need to be comedic, but it's got like a kind of a comedy action feel to it in moments of that trailer, while some moments were not comedic at all and pulled no punches. Yeah, I mean, what an ambitious thing to do to try to... Like, I mean, there were also moments in the trailer that jumped out at me as being... kind of reflecting the realism of why some people turn to terrorism. Like the guy saying, look, my family were burned alive, and the lead hero saying, you know, what happened to you was completely wrong, but terrorism is not the answer. And I feel like even acknowledging that is a brave thing to do and kind of exploring that topic, but somehow managing to fit in dancing and like over-the-top action sequences and comedy into the same movie. Oh mate, if they can pull that off, this would be a masterpiece.
And they still left room for people to be impossibly attractive.
That's right. Yeah, you know, I actually really liked the cast in general, actually. They had... You know, I get a little bit skeptical of Hollywood movies these days who cast only young, beautiful people in movies. I've had a lot of respect for movies recently that cast, you know, different ethnicities, different age ranges, that have different genders of actors. And I actually liked it that this actually had a lot of that. It had... you know, just within the heroes. So yeah, I was really encouraged by the casting. Clearly huge stars in this as well. Oh my god, I just want to watch it now.
Would you say it's visually stunning?
I mean, you know, my catchphrase of visually stunning, normally that applies to huge scenery. And actually, this had one really visually stunning moment for me like that, where the helicopters at the end are flying out over Mumbai. I guess it looked to me like maybe they were all going to different areas to try to find where this terrorist cell was or something, but just seeing like a military operation over a modern, really crowded city was visually stunning in a very different way. But some of the stunts, I mean, there was the bit where he's riding on a bike and a car like flies upside down over the top of him and then smashes into, like really high impact, smashes into another car behind. And like some of those stunts were massive. Some of the fights as well, like one-on-one fights where there was a bit, I think it was Akshay Kumar's character had a guy on the ground and was like twisting his arm and then snapping it. And yeah, like I say, like some of this movie seems uncompromising in terms of how brutal the action is, and yet some bits actually seemed really fun at the same time. I don't know how you pull that off.
And I really liked the bit where he stood up on his bike and climbed into a helicopter.
Yes.
There's probably safer ways to get in a helicopter, but if you're going to do it that way, then do it that way.
Yeah, and you know, that blows my mind because unlike Hollywood, and I don't know specifically about this movie, but in many Indian movies, the stars actually do their own stunts. I have no idea whether that climbing into a helicopter was actually the real actor, but it blows my mind how hard some of these actors need to work. Like, not only do they often have to film a movie in different languages, which is enough, as well as doing their own stunts and dancing and acting and singing, and oh my goodness, yeah, there was. Yeah, my hats are off. I kind of feel like Hollywood actors get it easy in comparison. Well, there you go. I think our minds are blown by the full trailer for Suryavanshi. I am super intrigued to see what this 1.5 minute trailer they just released a week ago is, so I think we're actually going to have to come back with that really, really soon because my curiosity is piqued. But for now, we will see you tomorrow, friends, because we do this every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
And therefore we'll see you then on the next Dork Trailer Ambush.
Peace out, dorks.
Bye.
Shut up and sit down.